Hello friends, my name is Manoj Saxena. Today I and my wife Anshu Saxena will show you how you can cook a famous aloo matar pulao recipe in your own kitchen, and at the end of the video we will show you the recipe so that you can make it in your home. Let us start. So first of all we'll add some oil to the pressure cooker and at the high heat, and then we'll add all the spices to this. Let us see. We will start with adding the cumin. Then we will add bay leaves, cardamom and clove, and then stir it a little bit, and then we'll add ginger and garlic, and stir it a little bit, and then we'll add the onion. After that we'll have to mm, stir it continuously until the onion is a little bit brownish or golden, and then we'll add the potatoes, and then all the other rest of the spices are added. Then we will add peas, soya chunks, and then rice, followed by water, and we will stir it thoroughly. Add some few drops of lemon juice and cover it. We added the lemon juice so that rice don't become lumpy. Now we will wait for 10 minutes. When we listen the first whistle, we'll turn the heat off, and then we will wait for 15 minutes. At this time our pulao is ready, and we will serve it hot. If you really want to enjoy this pulao, you can take it with some chutney, cilantro or parsley chutney, some pickles, and some salad. Here is the recipe of this pulao. You may pause the video and check all the ingredients and their quantities. In our opinion, these are the ingredients which are essential for the maintaining the basics of this recipe. And here are the ingredients which are added for flavor and taste. Friends, if you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for similar delicious and healthy recipes. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get the notification when we release the new videos. Thank you.